Hey there everyone. Today we're taking a look at the amazing new electric air fryers with a 4.5L and 6L large capacity. This smart automatic household multifunction LED touchscreen deep fryer is an absolute game changer for any kitchen. Imagine being able to enjoy all your favorite fried foods without any of the guilt or unhealthy side effects. With this air fryer, you can make crispy and delicious meals, without the need for oil. That's right, you heard me correctly. This fryer uses rapid air technology to cook your food evenly and thoroughly, with little to no oil required. This means you can enjoy all the flavors you love, without all the added calories and fat. Not only does this fryer offer a healthier cooking option, but it also comes with a large capacity, perfect for feeding the whole family or hosting a gathering. The LED touchscreen makes it easy to select the perfect temperature and cooking time for any dish, and the smart automatic function ensures your food comes out perfectly every time. Say goodbye to the days of greasy, unhealthy fried foods and say hello to the future of cooking with the new electric air fryers. Trust me, once you try this fryer, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on this game-changing fryer and start enjoying delicious, guilt-free meals today. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.